Now, let's manufacture a coffee table.
Before creating a manufacturing order, let's see what bill of materials our coffee table takes to manufacture.
It takes 1 tabletop, 4 table legs, and 16 screws to tighten up our coffee table.
We can also choose to be flexible on our consumption or not. Let's see our cost structure and create our manufacturing order.
Here, I can also check my cost if I want to manufacture more than 1 coffee table. I also have the option to see my bill of materials structure without the cost.
Before I create a manufacturing order, let's see how many coffee table and raw materials we have on hand. In my finished product location, I already have 7.
In my raw material location, I have 43 tabletops.
And more than enough amount of table legs.
Also good amount of screws.
Now, let's go create our manufacturing order for our coffee table.
I will select the product I will be manufacturing, and since I already set up its bill of materials, it will automatically show me how much I must consume. Here, since I have enough stock in my raw materials warehouse, it will tell me by making them green. If they were not available, they will be red.
Now, since there is a manufacturing order created by manufacturing department, the warehouse department will also know there is a manufacturing order.
Confirmation is done by the manufacturing department manager, but since I am an administrator, I can go directly to the manufacturing order from the inventory dashboard and confirm the order. Now, once the order is confirmed, the system will automatically create raw materials transfer from my raw material location to the production location so it can be picked by manufacturing team. If we open this stock transfer, we can see the raw materials to transfer, the source and destination location of this transfer. Here, I will enter the transferred quantities based on the demand and validate the transfer.
You can see the status changing from ready to done.
Now, I have all my raw materials in my production location, so I'm good to go.
You can see the status here, or click on the transfer detail and see from there.
Now, my coffee table is in production, and when the production team enters the amount they are consuming in their process, the status of the manufacturing order will change from confirmed to in progress. Now, the coffee table is ready, and after I enter the quantity produced and confirm it is done, you can see the status changing from in progress to done.
Now, since I have manufactured one, let's see how many coffee tables I have.
It was 7, now it's 8. That's just perfect.
I can also see my raw materials decreasing in quantity because I have consumed few in my production process, and the system will automatically handle everything for me so that I don't go manually and update my on-hand quantity. I can see some reports if I want to,
like my product moves history. I can check my inventory valuation. I also have the option to see my inventory forecast if there are any production plans ahead.
I can see my stock on hand based on location, which means if I have one product in multiple locations, I can see that too.